Okay.
Okay, the problem being how to manipulate the pole with the least amount of stress.
Yeah.
And on the body parts that take the brunt of the energy, which is the wrist. It's the wrist that takes the weakest link in this is the wrist and the fingers.
Yeah.
The strongest link would be your legs.
Yes.
In order to bolster the weakest link, possibly a wrist brace. What happens is when you're using the pole with a free wrist, is that you're stressing not only the wrist and the digits, but the elbow. The wrist attaches at the elbow.
Yep.
And it's really not the motion of the elbow that causes the elbow pain, usually. It's the motion of the wrist that causes the elbow
because
pain.
that muscle
Because that's where it
is
attaches.
coming back and attaching
Yes, it
there,
attaches
and
there.
that's what's doing that.
Yeah. So if you had a wrist brace that would stabilize the wrist and distribute the stress back onto the forearm.
Yep.
In other words, traverse this joint
Yes.
with a brace.
Yes.
But still have it enough freedom that you can manipulate the object.
Yeah.
Then and take some of the weight off that foam, so you can get rid of that de Quervain's.
Yep.
Because it's
The Quervain's is this.
yeah, it's
pain
a
here.
crippling pain right here.
Right.
You can get a crippling pain. If you want to see if you have a little de Quervain's, and most people do actually, grab your thumb and then duck your wrist down like this.
Yeah.
Like
And you
this.
feel it.
And you'll feel a tightness at least here.
Yeah.
If this is a tendonitis, you will quit doing that because it's about a 10 out of 10 knifing, burning pain when you do it.
And that would be a sign that you've got a problem coming.
You just got a
If-
problem
like
coming.
if every window cleaner just did this.
It's the same with the elbow.